Want to update Waze to the latest version in 2026? In this video, I'll show you how to update the Waze app step by step. First, open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Search for Waze using the search bar. Then select the official Waze app from the results. If an update button appears, tap it and wait for the latest version to download and install. If you see an open button instead, your Waze app is already up to date. On iPhone, you can also tap your profile picture in the App Store. Select app updates and find Waze in the list. On Android, you can manage available updates through Google Play. After the update finishes, open Waze and make sure it launches normally. Keeping Wind in Waze updated gives you access to the latest features, improvements, and bug fixes. And that's how to update Waze in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.